Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, March 7th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and SPY. So since Thursday's price spike when the market spiked higher in I period, market basically went up Thursday afternoon, all day Friday, overnight. Yesterday, all morning until the afternoon decided to pull back a bit. Even though we pulled back a bit, we still have the daily up. We have not really had any consolidation yet from that move from Thursday. We started getting some yesterday, and now again all overnight we're trading basically back and forth through yesterday's opening. To truly come back and have some, two things to have consolidation. One is to trade inside of yesterday's range to really consolidate. And the second would be to take out yesterday's low to put us in a nice 3-day balance. So that's the question, is that what the bears are going to attempt to do. Remember, you have Powell testifying today. I believe it's at 10 a.m. Again tomorrow. So we'll see. Maybe they try to put the daily back into balance prior to him speaking when the market opens at 9:30, or maybe we just chop inside of yesterday for a while. Remember, there's nothing to lean on from yesterday. We have yesterday's high and yesterday's low. So the overnights are going to become important this morning. Right? We know how they like to front run overnight highs and overnight lows. Right now, again, can you take a short against that? Sure you can. You can use half back as you're out if it got above it. Can you take a long against the overnight low? Absolutely. And then use yesterday's low as you're out if they put the daily back into balance. We'll see if they defend it the first time. Now, there's still 75 minutes to go, so the overnight could be extended one way or the other. But for now, those would be early plays. Other than that, there's really not much inside of here. If we are to take out yesterday's low, well, then you have all of Friday's quadruple distribution day to deal with. You'll be in the upper distribution first, then you have the J singles, then you have the third distribution. Now, as powerful as these were on Friday, if we start coming into them, now they become targets for those heat-seeking missiles. So if the market hears something that they don't really like from His Highness, then you can have some selling pressure as they take back some of the trend day from Friday. On the flip side, if what he says doesn't rattle the markets at all and it's pretty much status quo, well, then if you take out the overnight high, there's really nothing until yesterday's high. So, as far as the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily. The weekly is up after an outside week up in SPY. ES did not have the outside week up. So it was a pretty ugly finish as we have this little reverse hammer here. We closed just below the 20. Again, that doesn't mean anything to me. One day doesn't make a market. Right now we're trading above it. That doesn't mean anything. You know, at some point, either bulls need acceptance above it to get going again, or sellers are going to need to bring this into balance, get below the 20, and then eventually come out of balance to attack the 50. That's the game plan for both sides coming into today's action. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.